Do you guys want to buy some Tony Stark eyewear strain glasses for computer glasses to improve comfort? Well, first off, I'm going to make two comments. First being, Robert Downey Jr., I'm sure, did not get paid anything in this ad. Also, I'm sure there was no royalties paid out anywhere. And let's buy these to see, for $5, what we're actually going to get in the mail. So, just to point out a few things, let's look at some of the things that this promises. Eye acid swelling. Your eyes are going to be on acid and swelling. Whatever you like to say. Eyes blurred. Dry eyes. Decreased vision. Black eye, red blood. Are you still worried about that? At this point, I'm afraid I might not see after I try these on, after we do this for this video. Things that are going to happen if you wear these glasses. Severe headaches. I mean, my head's already having a headache trying to understand some of these promotional images. Crying because you wasted $5 on a freaking pair of knockoff glasses. More crying and headaches because your head just cannot comprehend where your $5 went. Staring blankly into the void of space and time. Being dead inside after you've decided to purchase these and nobody can get you to do anything. And then regretting your life after purchasing $5 glasses. Okay, save the eyes of crunch time. I'm sorry, I know this is like translation errors, but you gotta bear with me here. I'm having a little too fun with this. We've got high clarity, Blu-ray, anti-UV, anti-fatigue, and anti-electromagnetic wave. So electromagnetic waves, I finally got this part in physics by the way, is light. Light is an electromagnetic wave. So, it's anti-light altogether? Interesting. What? We've got good and non-U? Okay, and then the visuals that you see. Ordinary glasses, screen glare, and video color distortion. Anti-blue light, visual clarity. Oh yeah, so everything just gets crystal clear when you put these glasses on. Before use, after use, effect. So before you use these, you can't you can make counterfeit money and you can't make counterfeit money. Okay, restore true color. Blu-ray oh my gosh. Blu-ray reduction. Okay, it just bounces off. And this glass looks like it was more expensive than this one. And we have Mr. Robert Downey Jr. smiling in his glasses. Because I have this sucker in a cart. Let's buy this. Tony Stark's $5 gaming glasses.
So, welcome back, and what a surprise, it showed up in the mail. So, this video has taken longer than I expected because the coronavirus thing has become a pretty big issue, and I'll let this decontaminate for a fat second, especially since it's supposed to be glasses. Now, I just want to point out the fact that this literally looks like it just came in a bag. There is no case in here. I can feel the glasses in here. I also want to point out that the value is literally stated as $1. So that's how much they think this is worth. So now before I get the coronavirus, guys, and you see about some guy chilling out with the coronavirus randomly, just keep that in mind as what we sacrificed for this video. Also, oh, does it come in something? Oh, it looks like it comes with a bag. Oh, sweet. Okay. Also, customary for this channel, every year on my birthday I put out a video, and that would be this video. This video should be coming out tomorrow. So, yeah, that is some other pieces of information I'd like to share. But no, for the first thing I do want to point out though is that I think these are hilarious. Yeah, first thing I do want to point out though is these look, I don't know, pretty interesting. But no, every year I try to put out a video on my birthday and I try to make it something special. And for this one, I guess since we've been waiting around for the coronavirus, you know, we might as well make it this one. Oh my gosh. What is this even supposed to do? Dude, this stuff looks... This is like... Oh my gosh. What is this supposed to do? It's supposed to make... It like... All it does is tint the thing more yellow. Which... I don't know what the heck did these look... Oh my gosh. Dude, this stuff looks... I don't know. I'm not a person that wears glasses. Well, never mind. Take that back. I have colorblind glasses. But... yeah, this is how we're running this channel, guys. This is hilarious. So, for the purpose of this video, I've got to test these. And since I already have the coronavirus, we might as well go through and play some video games with them and see if I make any noticeable difference. On the bright side, it looks like they're not, like, gonna, like... Oh, no, I might want to take that back. I don't think I'm gonna get any... So, now let's go play a little Minecraft. And I know I'm editing a video. Hopefully we can get some Minecraft going up on here. Let's play a little Minecraft, shall we? If you're not playing Minecraft, then I don't know what you're doing with yourself. This computer, I spent way too much money on it. But you know what? It plays Minecraft. So, I'm going to try to play some Minecraft in 4K. And we'll see how this goes. We're going to see what happens after a little bit longer. And we're already getting to the point where we're starting to feel a little nauseous. So, I either have the coronavirus, and y'all better like the video, or these glasses are not the best. So, I've been playing Minecraft for a bit. I had gotten to the point I had to take these off because lunch was coming up otherwise. And I say that seriously in the sense that the moment I take them off, I feel much better. But like, trying to play video games, oh my gosh. The other thing is, yeah, you can tell there's some distortion from these. So, interestingly enough, yeah, I don't think that's what's cutting it. So, another thing that they advertised in the picture, and I'll scoot a little closer for y'all. So, another thing that they advertised is the fact that these glasses have the ability to like bend all the way over down here. And I know my Minecraft's in the background. I hope that it's not distracting you. Hey, you want to check out my Minecraft world? Here, I'll turn around real quick. You see all the stuff that I spent way too much time on. So, you have the glass is supposed to like be able to bend all the way down to like here. This little thing right here is supposed to bend. So we're gonna do the bend test because I mean, let's see. I've gotta break some glasses. That's what the picture says, right? I should be able to. Oh, what do you know? It actually does. And how much distortion do we have? Okay, so that's that side. And that side's pretty bent. But surprisingly, they didn't snap. So, I guess there's hope. I am still curious about like the copper. They said that there was some copper in here. And in reality, all this looks like it does is it makes things yellow, which someone with a tryptophania or whatever they call the color blindness where you see too much yellow, that's not helpful. So, in today's video, what did we learn? Well, first off, stupid stuff that you buy on the internet most likely is not worth your money. Second thing I'd say is if you buy some gaming glasses, I can't speak for any other gaming glasses because I've never owned any. I think it's kind of a scam altogether, especially those glasses that, yeah, I just think it's a scam altogether. Not worth my money. But these suckers are definitely not worth my money. $5, etc. They really hurt my head, and I might have coronavirus. I'm not sure. But in seriousness, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And thank you guys very much for watching. Goodbye.